Hi, I'm Susan Greeley, and as a nutritionist and dietitian, I like helping people get healthy, delicious meals on the table every day. Just great flavors going into this. Oh, I love, love, love that color. Voila! You have such a refreshing summer salad. Okay, would you like to taste it?
Thank you. That is delicious.
My goal as a nutritionist is to make healthy eating appealing, affordable, doable, and most importantly, enjoyable. Smell that.
This smells amazing. If I
That
could,
is
I'd just
amazing.
fill up a tub and just exfoliate in it.
This is doing really well. Those are great.
Those look nice.
Here at the farm, produce is grown naturally using organic methods. I am on a mission to get people to simply eat better and to understand proper nutrition. So join me for this light and easy feast that's guaranteed to please, right here on Lighten Up.